then he puts his seatbelt on after that. Yeah, you better make sure you're safe, mate. In case you knock a bloke off on a motorbike, yep. You want to be safe. G'day guys, how are yous? Welcome to Bobber 400. And look at the state she's going home in. Yep. Get off your phone, you fucking idiot. There's a crossing just there. Fucking idiots, mate. Look how far away she is. Yeah, you're going to get something to eat, aren't you? Fucking know she is. Too lazy to walk to the crossing, but walk straight across the road to get some food. Move 2 car lengths. Whoa. Mate, there's a crossing right there. Fucking idiot. Fucking lazy prick. Fucking idiot. Oh yeah, it is only 9:30. Yeah, she rang me early, didn't she? Yeah. Hey! You're alright, mate. Fuck, he was in his own world.